Hey Sarah, this is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I wanted to come out and just shoot you a quick video of the pre-owned cars that I have here in my inventory. I see that you were shopping online for a 2016 Corolla, so I wanted to come out and just show you the vehicles that I have. This one's a 2016 Corolla Sport Edition model, so it is a little bit more sporty than a typical Corolla would be. It's got the nice full steel alloy wheels, fog lights. You also get kind of partial leather, partial cloth. I have another 2016 Corolla as well. This one's also another Sport Edition model with the alloy wheels and the fog lights. You get these integrated turning signals as well as a rear spoiler. Let's see if I can open up the inside of the car. Oh, here we go. Black and kind of a blue inserted partial leather, partial cloth seats. You do get within either one of these Corollas a nice touchscreen display, Bluetooth and backup camera all come standard, CD, USB, Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone to the vehicle. And most of my vehicles here at the dealership are certifiable, meaning they do get a certified warranty on the vehicle. So 7 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, as well as a 1 year, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and let me know what I could do to help you out while you're shopping online. My phone number here is 321-254-8888, and my extension directly is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.